Total shutdown is underway in Kuki Zoo inhabited areas organized by various Kuki Zoo organizations in protest against what they term as false propaganda about 900 trained Kuki militants entering the state from Myanmar. The two-day shutdown called by the Committee on Tribal Unity (KOTU) began at 6 a.m. yesterday in Kangpokpi district. The Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum (ITLF) has also joined the shutdown, which has paralyzed normal life in Kuki Zoo-dominated regions, including Churachandpur. All schools, institutions and offices in these areas have been ordered to remain closed until September 29, with volunteers on high alert. Both private and government medical teams and ambulances have been placed on standby during this period. In addition, the Zomi Students Federation (ZAS) has called for a 12-hour shutdown, which started at 6 a.m. today and will conclude at 6 p.m. Markets, businesses, schools and colleges have come a complete halt, with areas appearing deserted. So far, no untoward incidents have been reported during the shutdown.